Morning all, I am Dr. K. Saritha, working as professor at Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry in Dr. K.V. Subbareddy Institute of Pharmacy, Kurnool. Today I like to discuss role of computational methods in medicinal chemistry. So it includes traditional drug design pipeline, AI/ML role in drug discovery, applications of AI/ML in drug discovery and development, de novo drug design by AI techniques, molecular docking studies by AI, molecular dynamics by AI, QSAR studies by AI, and conclusion. So before going into this, we should know the traditional drug design pipeline. It includes target identification, hit identification, lead optimization, preclinical studies, clinical trials, and regulatory affairs. To perform all these things, it takes a lot of time and also cost. So, in order to prevent all these things, AI and ML came into existence. For example, for target identification, lead discovery, lead optimization takes around 7 to 10 years, and for preclinical studies and clinical studies it takes 6 to 12 years, and for getting approval it has taken around 1 to 2 years, and also it also affects the cost also. So in order to overcome this, computational methods has came into existence in improving the drug design. So how this AI and ML assist in every stage of the pipeline, you should know. So first of all, before going into this our pharmacy field, we should know what is meant by artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a very broad field in science whose ultimate goal is to make computers to make decisions on their own in tasks which require intelligence and reasoning. So it takes the help, so artificial intelligence mainly takes the helps of machine learning, deep learning, neuronal language processing, robotics, and creativity. So how these AI, artificial intelligence, and machine learning helps in drug discovery and development, we have to know it. So as I already told you, in a pipeline, the first one is target identification and validation. So it utilizes machine learning algorithms to analyze the genomics, proteomics, biomedical literature to identify disease-related genes and proteins. And coming to the virtual screening, virtual screening is nothing but predicting the binding affinity of the drug to the target proteins. The tools which are used for virtual screening are deep learning, QSAR models, docking simulations enhanced with machine learning. So example of AI platforms used for virtual screening are AtomNet tools, which is used for structure based drug design. And coming to the other one, drug repurposing, which is used to find a new therapeutic use for already existing drugs using pattern recognition and graph based machine learning. Next, coming to the other application, that is de novo drug design. So it utilizes generative tools like GANs and VANs, which helps in designing new molecules with the desired properties. The tools used in de novo drug design are MolGAN and ChemBert. So for ADME prediction using machine learning, it also helps in saving time and resources in early stage of filtering, clinical trials, designing, and pattern. So it requires less time to do all these things. So coming to the main de novo drug design, AI techniques in de novo drug design are the tools which are used in AI techniques are mainly in silico ADME, AI-driven molecular generation and optimization. AtomWise is the tool which is used by AI, and Deep, ChemBert, Moses, Reinvent are other open source tools. AlphaFold is the nothing but revolutionized protein structure prediction, aiding target selection. And coming to the molecular dynamic studies by AI, the tools used are DeepDock, AtomNet, Equibind, Gina, and these are mainly used utilizes Schrodinger and Autodoc Vina with the machine learning. Coming to the molecular dynamics by AI, these molecular dynamics mainly it is used to predict atomic forces and energies. So the tools which are used to perform this is REAP, which is nothing but a reinforcement learning enhanced adaptive sampling platform, meta learning for enhanced sampling. So coming to the QSAR by AI techniques, the tools used are Swiss ADME, OChem, Schrodinger, Drug Discovery Studio, Comfa, and Comsla. So these are the toxicity studies and ADME predictions mainly done by AI using forecasting the ADME profiles. So coming to the conclusion, AI has emerged as a transformative force in drug design and discovery, revolutioning traditional methods by accelerating process, reducing cost, and improving accuracy. AI holds immense promise to shorten development of timeless, lower failure rates, and also ultimately brings safer, effective drugs. Thank you.